Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa, aka MISSYG, and if you've seen the thumbnail or the title, you already know what we're doing today. You already know. We are going to be doing the no makeup look. So what we're basically going to try to do is just cover up some of our insecurities or imperfections and make it look just make it look like you're not wearing anything at all. So you're not gonna do any eyeshadow, you're not gonna do anything like that. So I'm gonna start off with a face serum. It's hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Just gonna start off with that. I washed my face. My face is just not moisturized. So, and I'm gonna be doing everything with my hands. Okay. My face is really dry right now. Every time after I wash my face, it's so dry. And my eyebrows are done, but they're not, you know, exaggerated like they usually are. Most of this routine for today I'm gonna be doing with my hands, besides obviously like the blending and all of that. But this look, you guys can use it when you're not, like, if you want to go somewhere but you don't want to make it seem like you're trying to go all out, like you're trying to floss on people. So, you know, airport, outdoor events, the beach. And now I'm going to use my Pond's Clarent B3 moisturizer that I use every single day. And I feel like this is the moisturizer that really, because my skin was a lot worse than what it is now. And using this has helped me so much. I just dab on a little bit everywhere and I rub it. And I'm literally just going to go out and run a couple errands. I'm not going to do the most. So, okay, now that we're moisturized, we're good. I'm still going to use a little bit of primer because I really want this to stick. I want it to last, even though it's not anything extreme. But I'm not going to put as much primer as I usually do. So, wait, we need a little bit more. About this much for my whole face. So, and this is a matte primer. So all of that shine and moisture that we just put on, it'll cover up a little bit. Okay, so it's gonna be a little weird because I'm not gonna, it's just not gonna be a regular routine. I'm gonna color correct and I'm going to conceal, but I'm gonna conceal first. So that's really the weirdest part. And I'm gonna cover under my eyes, but I'm not gonna try as hard because again, you're trying to make it seem like you don't have makeup on. So covering every single spot just isn't gonna do it today. So we're just gonna cover under our eyes. I'm not gonna cover anything else around my face. Just under here. Okay. Blender. And see? So I'm not doing, you know, my little scars up here. I'm not doing any of that. It's too much. So now we're going to take concealer, and we're not going to do the regular triangle of concealer like we usually do. I'm just going to do a little line. So like this. Just a little line like that. And on the other side. Okay. You know, we could put a little bit of concealer around here too. Under here. But we're not gonna, you know, layer any because we don't want it to cake later on. So we're just going to blend that in. Anywhere where you have like really bad dark spots, that's where you want to put your concealer for this look. Now, just the eyes. See? And you guys, I've been trying to drink a lot more water than I usually do because I really need these dark circles. Like, I know summer 2020 is not really going to be a summer. You know, of course you're going to do your activities, but for me specifically, it's not going to be the same. So I'm not going to be going crazy and doing stuff. But for summer 2021, I really want these to be a little bit less noticeable. So I'm trying to drink a lot of water. Now that that's that, we are going to take some foundation, and we're not going to put a lot. So I'm going to take with my finger, and I'm going to dab a little bit right here, a little on my nose, a little on my cheek, a little on my other cheek, a little on my chin. Okay, and now we can blend that all in with the sponge. With this, you can take and take a little bit of foundation. Actually, let's put it right on the sponge. So we're going to put a little bit of foundation on the sponge. And we will be taking a little drop of serum right on the blender and blend in certain areas, because this is really gonna look like skin. Okay. Alright, so you're going to take your setting powder and you're going to just take a little bit and pat. Just pat it, pat it. Because you also don't want your face to get oily, especially if you're in the heat. It's summertime, so you know, you want to remember that. For this though, you want to use a really dense brush, because if you use a brush that doesn't have a lot of hairs like that, you're really gonna see like some streaks. So you just want to use a brush that is dense. Now that we're looking like this, we are going to take our mascara. And my absolute favorite, my Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. And we're going to be putting that on. We're not going to put lashes on today, because that's the point. Alright, so I'm just going to go in a little bit in my eyebrows, because I did touch it with some powder, so I just want to make them a little bit darker. And I'm taking my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pen. Draw some hairs. Okay, my eyebrows are darker, my base is done, my face is basically all done. All I need to do now is put some gloss on, and what I'm going to be putting on for gloss is lip injections from Too Faced, because I want my lips a little bigger. So this goes everywhere with me. My lips are not like the smallest lips, but I definitely want them to be especially my top lip, just a little bigger. And this is the whole entire look, you guys. This is it. Well, my hair's done, but yeah. This is it. If you liked this video, I'm gonna expect you to subscribe first of all, because I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. I pay attention to my analytics. So I know that there's 85% of you guys that watch this and are gonna watch this, and I'm speaking directly to you. Go subscribe. It's not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt anybody. So you can get more of my videos. Once you're done subscribing, I'm gonna need you to ring the notification bell so you can get notifications of when I post, and give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.